Went to my mail today and got a box from a wonderful human being, supporter of the channel, major supporter of the channel, KP. You are incredible. You outdid yourself, honestly. It was wrapped in happy birthday paper, and I unwrapped it. I didn't know what it was, and it was this lovely humidor box, desktop. Oh my gosh, full of cigars, and this was wrapped separately. This Padron 60th. Wow. Thank you. What a way to start the birthday week. This is incredible. I'm gonna just go through these cigars real quick, y'all. This was a wonderful gift I did not expect. Padron Black PB97, which is incredible. This is the Extra Añejo by Arturo Fuente, number 48, I believe, or 46. Set that right there. This is the Hemingway Classic, another great Arturo Fuente. Wow. The Oliva G in box press, which I'm a huge Oliva fan. It's like what I started with. Wow. Wow, I'll get you a better look at that there. Wow. Okay. 4 Kicks 2025 limited. Is that 2025? Yep, 2025 limited. Have not tried that. Another 4 Kicks 2023. I believe I have this one, but I haven't smoked it yet. I think Peter gave it to me. Wow, KP, thank you. In my opinion, cigar of the year here, Ferriotego Elegancia. If you know me, you know I love that cigar. EPC Pledge, great cigar, great cigar. Wow, look at these placentas, y'all. You see it right there. 151, I believe that's Cortez, and then 4 Robustos, the Del Campo, the Fuerte, I wouldn't say the red, the natural, I think, and then the Fuerte Maduro, and then the Fuerte Colorado. All great freaking cigars. Set those there. Another beautiful Fuente. That's the 858, I believe, yeah. Another contender for top 10 of the year. Sheesh. Amazon based in 2025. Floral. I never could say this cigar right. Delantias, my father, one of the best my fathers you can find. A Filthy Hooligan. I think Alec Bradley makes this. I've never had this, but I've always wanted to try it. So thank you so much. This is a Hemingway signature here. Another Arturo Fuente, which I've been really enjoying. Wow. You already know. You know what that is. The DC Shark. Incredible. Romeo and Juliet, 1875. Romeo y Julieta, 1875. Classic. Nice morning smoke. This is here, I'll show you. The Cloud Hopper from Warp. This was like the first box of Warped I ever bought. Love this cigar. This would turn me on to Warped, and I've been a fan ever since. They sent me a box too of those, I believe. Or they sent me a bunch of those. Cohiba Black in a nice thin Vitola that I'm going to enjoy that. I've never had that cigar. And then two, what is this? This is a Privada. I've never had this Privada. I don't know what this is. Check it out. If you know what this is, let me know which one this is. Awesome. Wow. What a birthday gift. Thank you. Thank you, Padrones. You are so appreciated. Still smoking.